If you own a home in Layton, Utah, you know how important it is to maintain comfortable indoor temperatures while managing energy costs. One of the most impactful improvements you can make to your home is upgrading to energy-efficient windows. Not only do they provide a wealth of benefits for homeowners, but they also significantly enhance the overall comfort and value of your property. Let's explore the top benefits of installing energy-efficient windows in Layton homes. Lower energy bills. Perhaps the most compelling reason for upgrading to energy-efficient windows is the potential for substantial savings on your energy bills. Traditional windows often let drafts in and allow heated or cooled air to escape, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Energy-efficient windows use advanced technology like low emissivity, low-E coatings, double or triple glazing, and specialized insulating gases, such as argon, between panes to reduce heat transfer. This leads to better insulation, keeping the heat out during the summer and retaining warmth in winter. For homeowners in Layton, this means a more stable indoor temperature and lower monthly utility costs. Enhanced indoor comfort. Layton's climate varies throughout the year, making it vital to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. Energy-efficient windows are designed to reduce hot and cold spots in your home. By minimizing the transfer of heat, these windows help ensure that rooms remain at a comfortable temperature regardless of the season. In the hot summer months, energy-efficient windows can block a significant portion of the sun's heat, while in the winter, they help retain warmth inside your home. As a result, you and your family can enjoy a more consistent and comfortable living environment. Increased home value. Energy-efficient upgrades, including window replacements, are highly desirable among prospective homebuyers. Investing in energy-efficient windows boosts your home's resale value, making it more attractive to buyers looking for modern, eco-friendly, and cost-effective properties. Homebuyers are increasingly aware of the financial and environmental benefits of energy efficiency, so installing energy-efficient windows can provide a solid return on investment when it comes time to sell your home. Reduced environmental impact. Choosing energy-efficient windows for your Layton home isn't just good for your wallet, it's also great for the environment. By reducing the amount of energy your home requires for heating and cooling, you lower your carbon footprint. Energy-efficient windows contribute to less energy consumption, which means fewer greenhouse gas emissions from power plants. Making this eco-friendly choice helps protect the environment for future generations. Noise reduction. Energy-efficient windows do more than regulate indoor temperature, they also help minimize noise pollution. Layton residents living near busy streets, schools, or other high-traffic areas will appreciate the difference these windows can make. Energy-efficient windows often include multiple panes of glass, with air or gas-filled spaces that act as a buffer against outside noise. This can create a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment, enhancing your overall quality of life. Protection against UV rays. Harmful ultraviolet, UV, rays from the sun can fade and damage furniture, flooring, and artwork inside your home. Energy-efficient windows often come with specialized coatings that block a significant portion of UV rays while still allowing natural light to enter your home. This not only helps protect your interior furnishings but also creates a healthier indoor environment by reducing UV exposure. Improved window durability. Energy-efficient windows are built with high-quality materials designed to last. From advanced sealing techniques that prevent drafts and leaks to reinforced glass, these windows provide superior durability compared to standard options. Homeowners in Layton can enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing their investment will withstand harsh weather conditions and offer long-term performance. Potential for rebates and tax credits. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows may make you eligible for local, state, or federal incentives, such as rebates or tax credits. These financial incentives can help offset the initial cost of your investment, making it even more appealing for budget-conscious homeowners. Check with local energy providers or government programs to see what benefits may be available. Conclusion. Energy-efficient windows offer numerous advantages for Layton homeowners. From reducing energy bills and increasing indoor comfort to enhancing home value and protecting the environment, these windows provide a worthwhile investment that pays off in multiple ways. Whether you're looking to lower costs, minimize noise, or make your home more eco-friendly, upgrading to energy-efficient windows is a smart and impactful decision. Embrace these benefits and start enjoying a more comfortable and efficient living space today.